All right,
I,
welcome to the third part of the podcast, which is Ilonggo. Now, Aisha, you have to translate these Ilonggo phrases into English. First is ano sud anyo.
what is your food?
Mhm.
Your viand.
Yes. What is kulat lang anay bala?
Wait lang. Wait first. English pala. Wait for me.
Maghintay ka lang muna. What is sa diin mo ginbakal?
Where did you buy that?
Tan-awon naton.
We'll see. Let's see it.
Nga ang kadugay sa imuhaw.
Bakit ang tagal mo? What's taking so long?
Naglakat ka pero wa ka naglisensya.
You left without telling me?
Pagwa ako diri.
Let go of me. And then let
Tunga.
me out. Let me out.
Tunga ta.
Let's have.
Updi ko.
Hoopdi?
Updi.
Hoopdi. Oh, come with me. Or
Malakat ka na.
I come with you.
Malakat
You're
ka na.
leaving?
Ah,
You're leaving?
ano natabo?
What happened?
Halong sa biyahe.
Take care in the journey.
Paano mo nabalaan?
How did you know?
Nag-abot sila kaina.
They arrived a while ago.
Manaog na ko.
I'm gonna go down now.
Ano gusto mo inon?
What do you want to drink?
Tuod?
Really?
Kabati ka sa akon?
You understand me?
No, that's
No,
not
do you
it.
hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yes.
Sabo.
Pinasahi kagid sa iban.
What is pinasahi?
Pinasahi kagid sa iban.
Pinasahi?
Si.
I don't know. Pass.
Oh, naiiba ka sa lahat.
Mm-hmm.
Tugnaw sa gwa.
It's cold outside.
Mhm. Diin ka naghalin?
Where did you buy? Where did you go?
No.
What's halin?
No. Saan ka nang
Galing. Where did you come
galing?
from? Yeah.
Dala sa gwa.
Huh?
Dala agad sa gwa.
Bring it outside.
Manuglakat na ko.
I'm gonna leave now.
Ano ni?
What's this?
Kagahod sa imo.
You're so hard-headed.
No.
No. You're so
Kagahod sa imo.
annoying.
No.
What's
Kagahod
that?
sa imo.
Kagahod. What's that? Pass.
Ang ingay mo.
Oh,
Hindi lang anay.
not yet. Not now.
Pila ka bilog.
How many pieces?
Tagpila ko no.
How much?
Kuwaan na hindi na magkuya.
Get it? Don't be choosy.
Don't be shy.
Don't be
Magkuya.
shy.
Magkuya is being shy.
Shy lang
It's
gali.
mahiya.
Hmm.
Hindi ka magkasubo.
You're not going to eat?
No. Hindi
Subo
ka
man.
magkasubo.
What's that? Okay, pass.
Don't be sad.
Oh,
Halong ka.
take care.
Madamo, good nga salamat.
Oh, thank you a lot.
Nabatian ko lang sa Piyak Balay.
I just heard it from the neighbor.
Ano ko no?
What?
Paliw.
Please?
Aamo gali?
Yeah, correct.
What is it in Tagalog?
Like,
Aamo
oo nga.
gali?
Oo nga.
No.
What?
Aamo gali?
Pass?
It's ganun ba?
Oo nga. Not, oo nga. Okay.
Sabi daw dito. Sabi dito. Gaulan dira sa inyo.
Is it raining there?
Pahuway na da.
Rest. Go rest
Pasugot
now.
na bala. Pasugot na.
Huh?
Pasugot na bala.
Just say yes.
May ihambal ko tanik aso ba sumaakig ka.
I want to say something, but you might get offended.
Akig is angry.
Angry. Okay?
Okay. So that ends the Ilonggo section.